All right. So we will be talking about a relation, whether it is symmetric or not. Okay. So here I defined a set for you, uh, and then I defined a relation on the set, and we have 5 pairs here. Okay. So we are going to check if this relation is symmetric or not. Okay. The definition of a symmetric is for all pairs that you have a comma b, b comma a should be in the relation. Okay, it should be. If it's not, it's not. So, and we need to check for all pairs. Okay, so we'll take one at a time. Okay, like a for loop. Like, remember I talked about the prime number is similar to that. One, I'm going to do 1 comma 2. Let's write down everything. Let's not make a decision immediately. Okay, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, right? I know you guys are thinking fast, but hold your horses. 3 comma 2, all right? So now let's check it. Okay, so this is the relation in the is element of R, right? Is 2 comma 1 in the relation? Do we have 2 comma 1? Yes, so that's checked. Okay, now 2 comma 1 we know is in the relation. Is 1 comma 2 in the relation? Let's go and check here. Oh yeah, I found that. Okay, check. So you need to go and find for everything. You can just stop at one place and at first pair and say, yeah, that's not the way it works. 2 comma 2 in the relation. Okay, is 2 comma 2 in the relation? Yep. How about 2 comma 3? Do we have 3 comma 2? Let's go and check. Oh, I got one. Ta-da! Is 3 comma 2, right? Is 2 comma 3 in the relation? Oh yeah, I found that right there. So, ta-da, check. So you found for every pair, right? You listed all the 5 pairs, and everywhere there's a check, right? So that relation is symmetric. All right. Let's take one more example. Okay, so this one is that, right? So let's take this set here and this relation here. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing. Let's write the for all a comma b in the relation. Do we have b comma a in the relation? For all, remember that is the key here. All right, that is the key for all. It's like a for loop. Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. Okay, the way we do that is we are going to write 1 comma 1 all the pairs, right? 1 comma 2, go ahead and write it. Don't be lazy, write it out. All right, we know these are all the elements of the R, right? That's best way is mechanical. Just write it out. Don't think in your mind and solve this problem. Okay, so we have this. Is 1 comma 1 in the relation? You betcha, right? We have 1 comma 1. Okay, we have 1 comma 2, so 2 comma 1 we need to check in the relation or not. 2 comma 1, I got it, right? All right. 2 we have 2 comma 1, so that means 1 comma 2. Do we have it? 1 comma 2, right? We have that, right? Ta-da, we have everything. 1 comma 3, let's go and check it out. 1 comma 3, do we have 3 comma 1 in the relation? Let's go and check. Do we have? Oh, No, we have a odd man, right? So that relation is not symmetric. It's not symmetric. Like I said in the class, even if one is not there, the entire relation is not symmetric. All right.